live stream corner, and I'm with Oliver Marin Pena. Welcome.
Thank you so much for the invitation to this interview.
Thank you. Could you please introduce yourself for our
Yes, my name is Oliver Marin Peña. I'm from Madrid, Spain, and I am orthopedic surgeon, specific focus on hip problems, and it's a great pleasure to stay here in Istanbul.
Okay, so I want to focus on the infection. Why does the infection matters for you?
I mean, infection is a very not very frequent problem, but it's a terrible problem for a surgeon. Indeed, I would say it's the worst problem that we have in our patients. And also, it's time-consuming, mentally consuming for the surgeon, but also economically, it's a big problem for the hospitals and for the patients. And the quality of the life of the patient is terrible when they suffer any kind of infection. So for us, it's one of the worst complications, and we need to fight against infection.
So you attended so many congress and meetings, of course. That's why I wonder, what is the difference of ICM?
I mean, I attend many ICM's Congress. I'm not very old, but but enough to be in the first ICM in Philadelphia in 2013. And for me, ICM is one of the best congresses. I mean, for example, for the patients. I mean, when you are focused on the patient's results and quality of life, ICM is one of the congresses that offers you different tools, different knowledge to improve our patient quality of life.
Have you attended ICM before?
Yeah, 3 times. I mean, this is my 3rd ICM. So the first one was in Philadelphia in 2013. The next was in Philadelphia again in 2015. And this is 18. And then this is the last one, 25.
So what's ICM mean to you?
Oh, not easy to answer this question, you know. For me, here this ICM is the best, probably. Not only for the city, which is a very nice city, Istanbul, but also because all the people know about ICM and had in mind that the ICM is the place where all the scientific and people who manage infections should come to discuss and update their knowledge in these complications. So this year in Istanbul, I think is the best edition.
If you have, if you want to say a message for a young surgeon, what would it be?
Well, I think it's important for the young people who start doing arthroplasty or other orthopedic surgery that infection is there. It's a complication, and don't feel shame for that. I mean, it's not your fault, okay? It's a thing that happened in many patients. So the only surgeon who never have an infection is the one who never operate. So this is a complication that happened. There is a statistic situation that it happened. The difference is how you manage that. So if you approach infection with the knowledge that ICM can give you, and you follow the guidelines of ICM, I mean, you will do your work much better, and your patient will benefit for that.
Is there anything you want to say?
Sorry?
Is there anything you want to say?
About world football and supporter of Real Madrid. So this year I'm going to say anything because we are not going to the final of the Champions League. But I'm joking. So thank you so much for being the host of this ICM in Istanbul. Thank you to all the organizing committee, Dr. Parvisi, Dr. Herge, for inviting us to stay here. And I hope in the next years all the knowledge and the science that we are now approaching here in this Congress will benefit you at home.
Okay, thank you for your joining us.
You're welcome. My pleasure.